Hi, welcome back on With Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up focus in your iPhone 14 Pro Max. So to this operation, go to settings, then scroll down and search for the focus option. Go there. And there is a few options. The first time we had a don't disturb mode. Yep, so you can choose the don't disturb mode about the people, apps, set schedule of it. You can personal to set up your custom focus. For the sleep, you can of course custom focus the same things at all with schedule or apps and people. And there is a walk, so you can customize focus there. And after that, you will custom your all focus for all option of your life. You can share across the device, but in my case, I don't have iCloud. I come from login to your phone. And there is a focus status, so you can share the status if you have your iCloud login into your phone. So that's it for now about the focus. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!